Ever wondered whether keto or vegan is the better choice for dinner? In today's video, we're breaking down nutrition, benefits, risks, and the best dinner options for both diets. Stay till the end to find out which one fits your lifestyle best. Let's get started. Part 1. What is the keto diet? The ketogenic diet, or keto, is all about low carbs and high fat. Typically, carbs are limited to 20 to 50 grams per day, forcing the body to enter ketosis, where it burns fat instead of glucose. Typical keto dinner plate: protein, grilled salmon, chicken, or eggs. Healthy fats: avocado, nuts, olive oil, or cheese. Low-carb veggies: spinach, zucchini, broccoli. Pros of keto. Rapid weight loss due to fat burning, controls blood sugar and insulin levels, boosts mental clarity and focus. Cons of keto. Can cause keto flu, headache, fatigue, nausea, may increase cholesterol levels for some people, difficult to sustain long-term. Part 2. What is the vegan diet? Now, let's talk about the vegan diet, which completely eliminates animal products. This means no meat, dairy, or eggs, but plenty of plant-based goodness. Typical vegan dinner plate. Protein: chickpeas, tofu, lentils, or quinoa. Healthy fats: avocados, nuts, seeds. Whole grains and fiber: brown rice, sweet potatoes, leafy greens. Pros of vegan diet. Lower risk of heart disease and high cholesterol, rich in fiber, improving digestion, eco-friendly and cruelty-free. Cons of vegan diet. Risk of nutrient deficiencies: B12, iron, omega-3, can be high in carbs, depending on choices, requires careful meal planning. Keto versus vegan, which is healthier? So, which one is healthier? Let's compare based on different factors. Weight loss: keto wins for fast weight loss, but it may not be sustainable. Vegan helps in gradual, long-term weight loss and better gut health. Heart health: vegan is heart-friendly, as it lowers cholesterol. Keto may raise bad cholesterol in some people. Nutritional balance. Keto lacks fiber and can be deficient in vitamins. Vegan lacks B12, iron, and omega-3s, but supplements can help. It depends on your health goals. If you want fast weight loss, go for keto. If you want long-term health and sustainability, try vegan. Keto dinner: grilled salmon with garlic butter. Avocado salad with olive oil. Zucchini noodles. Vegan dinner: chickpea and quinoa bowl. Roasted vegetables with tahini dressing. Fresh avocado and spinach. Both are delicious and packed with nutrients. So, what's your choice? Keto or vegan? Comment below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell for more healthy food diets and cooking. See you in the next video.